can't see shit. It's so dark.
Well, we're back for a bonus race, doing a little super speedway leader outside the cones action. Hopefully my card is better than it was in the previous races. Which, if you're watching this video, you've probably seen the title of my video, which I'm going to presume is going to be something related to me rage quitting that race. Not really a rage, just quitting, okay? Alright, this feels like it has more speed. So that's good. That's good. We enjoy that. Yes, I am with people this time. So I'm happy to see that. Holy moly, boys. Wah, wah, wah. Okay. Alright, good old super speedway. This is a really fun course where we get to pretend like we're driving NASCAR. And as long as you don't have a slow cart, it's fantastic. Ugh. Okay, we made it through without incident. Uh-oh, somebody's already in the pits. That's not good. Get a little bump draft here. Okay. Now I gotta take the cones. And now we have to hope we don't lose too many places by getting stuck on the outside. Okay, we filed back in. That's good. That's good. So I'll tell you what, being on the outside is a death sentence for this format. You just keep getting shuffled back. If you get stuck, that is. Okay. Well, it seems like it's just me and him rotating back and forth. So, and if that's the case, I mean, this race is all about luck anyways. There's a lot of luck involved. But it's going to be down to who happened to be the one to take the leader outside the cone section here. Wah! Bro. Okay, we somehow made it through there without too much of an incident. So that's good. And we have another person in the rotation, so that's also good. Man! Oh my goodness! Woof! Good race, good race.